Welcome everybody here, and thank you for attending this important family meeting. Jeden will join us shortly.
We are meeting today to discuss about what is going on in this family since Jeden traveled, and I am going to be straight with all of you. We didn't give you education just for you to hold a certificate.
We gave you education so you can stand on your own feet. There were times we didn't know how we would pay your school fees. And today, to make us proud, you must strive to find jobs that will make you independent. Do not make us feel like we lost everything we did. Develop your skills and make yourself useful.
And there were nights we stayed awake, thinking about loans, about bills. But we never regretted it, because it is our responsibility to educate you.
You are our investment, not in money, but in hope.
Now that you've finished your studies, it's time to take the next step. Start looking for opportunities.
Independence doesn't come overnight, but effort matters. Apply for jobs, build your skills, don't wait things come to you.
We understand. We won't take your sacrifices for granted.
We are always here for you. But now, it's your turn to rise.
Thank you all for being here. And Jeden, thank you for joining us.
Yes, Dad, I'm here.
This meeting is important. We've noticed something happening in this family, and it needs to stop.
Whenever there is a financial problem or otherwise, everyone turns to Jeden, as if he is the only one responsible in this family of many people.
You are not the only child in this family.
Dad, it's okay, I've just been trying to help as I can when one reach out to me for help.
No, it's not just okay. You are working, going to school, building your life with your wife. That is not easy, and everyone here is adult and should understand that each of you has responsibility.
Julia, you are a teacher. Jeffrey, you've worked hard, even through part-time jobs. Each of you has, regardless of what you are doing as job. Your loving heart and your conscience should call out to you.
Abel, you are building your work as an auto supplier. Lily, you are still studying, and we understand your situation.
This family was built with sacrifice. Not for one child to support you as you are kids. From now, Jeden will focus on himself and his family. He can't jeopardize his future for you, except Lily here, who's still in.
I'm not as stable as you think. My wife and I work long hours, then go to school. We don't even have time for ourselves.
We didn't see that side. I guess we assumed. We need to do better to avoid letting you carry everything on you.
Supporting each other doesn't mean pushing everything onto one person. It means everyone contributes to a family's emergency. Do your best to assume your responsibilities. A person who is not disabled should go out there and find a side gig.
I didn't realize it felt that way. We will start doing something about it. When I finish school, I'll also contribute. I promise.
That's all we are asking. Unity, responsibility, fairness.
Thank you, Dad and Mom, for thinking about it.
From today, we stand together. Not behind one person, but beside each other.
No one is alone in this family. But no one should be overburdened either.
Yevon, from now on, we stand as one to face any family issue.
Thank you.
That means a lot.
I've been thinking, as a family, we need a system, not just words but action. I suggest opening a family account. Every month, Each of us contributes between $20 and $50.
So, this would be like a support fund for emergencies?
Yes, my daughter.
It's not about how much, it's about consistency and unity. That is why the contribution range is $20 to $50.
Yes. Emergencies, family needs, maybe even helping Lily with school when needed. But it belongs to all of us.
I like that idea. It takes pressure off one person. And it keeps us connected.
$20 to $50 is reasonable. Even with part-time work, I can manage that. Same here. It's meaningful.
I can start small, but I want to be part of it too.
Great, Lily. I am proud that you understand.
So, how do you all feel about it?
I'm in.
I'm in. I'm in.
I'm in.
Thank you, Jeden, for all you did. Your wife and your children are your priorities. Absolutely. This is fair and it relieves me too. I will finally reduce my job hours and focus more on my study.
There's one more thing. You must love each other. Not just in words, but in how you act. That is how a family works. Not leaving everything to one person to bear.
Talk to each other with respect, even when you disagree. Each of you is now adult and responsible for your decisions.
No one has the right to use their age to pressure others. Respect goes both ways, young and old. Regardless of your age, respect each other's relationship. Do not try to get involved in each other's donation affairs.
Respect is the foundation. Peace begins at home. We must honor our family boundaries.
I know this is hard, but we're all here for you.
Also, a quick remind, all our in-laws are welcome, and they can also help build this family as they are part of it. That is why each of you must be responsible and make good decisions when it comes to family's problems.
I hear you, Mom. Thank you.
Thank you, Mom. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, we're glad to.
I believe in honesty, integrity, and hard work. That's what builds a strong family.
Freedom and autonomy are important in our family.
Thank you for always believing in me.
Thank you, my children. I'm so glad we're all together again.
Let's stay connected too. Just open the group chat and say hello. Not for only asking for help and support. Responsible persons stand for themselves to achieve their dream and come together when there is a family emergency. They don't let one person to bear it.
I know I messed up. I just want you to know I'm sorry. And I'm trying to be better.
Thank you for still being here. I appreciate it more than I can say.
I'm here, bro. Everything's under control.
Man, I'm so glad you're okay. I was worried.
We did, and I hope our children will consider our advice to do better.
It is good that everybody knows what to do now.
We're ready. Let's go.
I'm glad you're here. Let's go.
We will do our best to keep this family unity. From now, we will assume our responsibilities to allow Jaden to build his family too.
This meeting was important because Jeden was overwhelmed by this situation. Every child must know that family's problems involve everybody.
We spent money on each child to become independent and support each other, and it is good that they understand.
Thank you for watching. If this message touched your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.